I thought maybe I should do a final video on what's in here. So we're featuring golden white quartzite. Even the dark one, that's what it was called. An oil painting I did a few months ago with my mother's guidance and Amy. And then we have all types of wood. So we have black walnut, a little spaltic going on here. We have some red oak, some, pretty sure it's red elm, black walnut, some red oak, you notice there's a difference, different probably species or different parts of the tree, some butternut, some cherry, quite a few different red oaks in here. This might be some of the elm, or no, that's soft maple. Cucumber, more soft maple, black walnut, red oak, soft maple, some curly hard maple with some mineral stain, really cool. Some white ash, which those are the trees that are all dying because of the emerald borer, I think it is. Here we have some hard maple, and we're back to some red oak with some mineral stain. Some really cool variety here. And there we go. Let's get it hung up next.